Hi everyone, we're back again.
Yeah.
And we're at the same place actually. We were here in summer already.
Yeah, we were in the same place in
summer, yeah.
Yeah.
And now it's winter and we want to look at the place in winter because in summer there was no water and no snow. So,
yeah,
let's go.
Let's go.
And is it cold? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's go up here.
Freezing cold.
Freezing cold.
Okay. Bye-bye.
So in summer it was so dry that we had no water at all. And look what happened. Let's get up here. Okay, this is how it looks. It's like a small canyon actually. Not sure if that's the correct word to say. In German it's Schlucht, it means there are two places coming down on each side and there's a small river, well, in the middle. Actually there is also a cave. And they say that the ancient people had lived in there actually. I don't know how many years ago, but yeah. So let's go on, okay? Liam, don't jump in that water, please, or else you get all wet. Perfect for getting on in the wild, isn't it? Come over again, please, and let's go on, man. Watch it. And actually, such a lovely place here. As you can see, we just have to take really care as we fall over. It's all icy, but it's really nice. Totally different atmosphere than in summer, isn't it? Really lovely, eh?
Yeah, it's very cool. And it feels cool.
Whoa. And here, as you can see, the first rock formation. Then we're going to go up here, and then I'll let you see how it looks up here. So stay tuned. Okay, now I think we're there, aren't we? Cool. So behind us, or behind you, you will see a nice cave. Okay, let's go. Bang! Get up. Go. Slowly. Slowly. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. As you can see, it's really nice here. Actually, last time we were here, it was really no water at all. It was dead dry. And now, at least, there is water. There's no snow, not anymore. It was snowing, but it got warmer now. And as you can see up there, there's where you can go up and then through the canyon also. I will make some pictures and video up there too. So see you later. So now we have this, there's a fireplace.
Yeah.
In the back, as you can see. So people come up here in summer or maybe even in winter and they make a picnic, a barbecue.
And so now I need a drink.
You want to drink something, so go ahead. Because outside you always need to have something to drink. Even if it's cold.
I know, it's
You have to hydrate.
Oh, it's not raining.
Okay.
It's just on the top.
Up there. We're going to go up there now. After this. Right there. And my son is thirsty. Go.
Okay, now we will continue walking. See you after.
Where are we going? There?
Yeah, we go right there.
Okay,
How you
perfect.
see?
Yeah. Exactly.
there.
Perfect. Let's go. Go, go, go.
Okay.
We start going.
Yeah, we're like that.
Slowly. Hey, man. Where are you going? You're not waiting for me. Thanks a lot. My son never waits for me. Okay, let's go. Go. Go, go, go. So starting point was down here, and then we came all up the way. Up, 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 up. And then we go continue and we go up. Up and up and up.
A crystal.
Oh, crystal. No, it's not. Is it?
It's my mom.
Ah, cool. Go, go, go. And this time you're not going to climb up there, okay? Thank you.
Maybe yes and maybe no, but yes I will.
No, you won't, because it's really slippery, and then you will fall down, and that's it. And then we can go home again. And that's the first thing in survival. You do what?
Break my leg.
Yeah, exactly. You watch and take care of yourself. That's what you have to do. Okay? Check.
Emotional damage.
Really cool place here, isn't it? All the way down there we started. And up here, and then we'll go, 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 go.
I will throw these sticks now down.
All right.
And now look how I'm doing. And it's Kajik. For the final stick, I will throw it down.
All right,
look.
go. Got another one?
Yeah.
All right, go. And I still haven't figured out what it is. Tell us, what does that mean here in English? Write it down in the comment section, okay? Oh, my friend, what are we doing?
We are playing.
And then what we're going to do now, we're going to go up there.
Yeah.
Up where? All right, let's go. Oh, fireplace. What's down here? Cool, let's go and check this out. Oh, I think I found a nice place. Let's go and look. Oh. Yes. We came all from down there. What did they find here now?
To do drums.
He's going to be a big drummer one day, I guess. Yes. So guys, and now we are going slowly home. So everything back again.
Yeah, and did you know my dad is so fat? I hit my butt on that swing, and yeah, I hurt my butt. Hi, and yeah, we finished now. I hope you liked it. Bis, yeah,
Okay.
Next day.
Okay, so thanks very much for watching. Yeah, if you like the video, then give us a like and subscribe. Thanks very much for your help. Bye bye.